So now let's see what we can find. I will take a look for my specific setup. We are today going to use stochastic, and the reason we do that is to see that our support and resistance are areas where we would like to trade. Okay, so we can't use stochastic by itself, but we're going to use it together now with support resistance. Now, when that's said, we're going to keep only two pairs where we are making a decent type of money. So I want to have my 90%. Okay. So down here, for example, could be an area where we would like to trade. So let me mark that up. Down here, we see that is a region that is very good. We see all bars that close above this green line. That's why if we can get a trade down here, that will be pretty darn nice. Let's change our bid to $1,000 because yes, that's what we are going for. So let's make some real money. So if I win a trade with $1,000, I'll basically make $920 in matter of 1 minute. So that's pretty amazing, right? So now let's see. I would love if this one will start to turn down, so we could get down in this level here. Like you can see in here, that was an area where we could have easily been trading, right? So now let's see if this one can start to go down. That would be nice. And when I trade live, I basically trade live typically for 1 hour. So I will be trading like this. Only I will explain for you. You can then see the numbers I put. You can put them up, the lines in the same place, and I will explain for you. You're not supposed to take trades based on when I push up or down, but basically when you come to the lines. This is something I explain in my live sessions. So make sure you join me in Discord. Also in Discord we are doing many other things. We do cryptocurrency, we do Forex, we do it all. So if you're interested to make money, my Discord channel is for you. And yes, everything is for free. I'm not asking any money for nothing. I have robots for Forex. I'm building currently a robot for binary option again, but I only will give things that I know will work. Now it's sad that we're looking a little away. I think we can look for something else. We are low here now, so let's take a horizontal line here. We are looking for a buy area in this region here, so if we can come down there again, yes, we will take a trade. But now let's see. If we can just come down there, we will go in. Hopefully we can get a spike that come down around this region. That would be nice. So now let's see. Our entry level, I will say, could have been something like this inside this green box there. So inside this area, I would like to take a trade. And there we got one in there. Very nice entry. We got a very strong, nice breakdown. We are low in the stochastic, so I feel quite comfortable with this trade. So now we just need to wait. We need to wait 42 seconds and see if this one can turn into some money for us. Currently we are running in profit. We see that we're getting this movement we wanted. Now just let's hope it's keeping that way. For now looks like it. Now we're getting a nice green bar, and that is how we easily are making $920 in 5 seconds, of course. But you see now everything happened like we planned. So there, $920. So, like I said, if you want to be earning money together with me, well, it's quite simple. Just make sure you join my Discord, and also make sure you open a super account for pocket option. So like I said, if you have accounts from before, close it down. Withdraw money first, of course, then close it down and reopen with my link. Join my Discord, trade together with me, or just use my simple strategy. It's very simple. It's a very simple way of trading. Yes, this line will not hold forever, but it will hold for a few trades, so your win rate should be around 65-70%. So that's it. I hope you did enjoy, and I hope I see you at Discord, and I hope you open an account now so we can trade together. Have an amazing day.